starters, the Ankole Cup is structured in this way. The patron is Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, who will be officially unveiled on Tuesday, 19th May at Hotel Africana. Then, after the patron, we have a supreme board of 3 chairpersons with equal powers. In leadership, they call it a triumvirate. So we have Osborne Mushabe, who is the chairperson in charge of the media and mobilization. We have Osborne Triasing, who has already spoken, who is the chairperson in charge of finance. We have Engineer Jackson Biargaba, is going to speak after the MP for the youth. Engineer Jackson Biargaba is in charge of sponsorships and then licensing and referring. Then after that, we have brand ambassadors. We have Honorable Mwine Mpaka, who is a brand ambassador representing the leaders. That's why he's even taking the lead. Then we have other people in there who are going to be unveiled at the dinner. But the person representing players is Paul Muchules. I know all of you in Kampala are used to Paul Muchules. And other brand ambassadors will be unveiled at the dinner. Then, away from that, we have standing committees. We have 4 standing committees. The first standing committee is called Events Management, headed by Engineer Innocent Biamukama from Rubirizi District. We are going to be unveiling all the committees at the dinner. We have the Media and Publicity Committee, which will also be unveiled at the dinner. And we are lucky to say that we have Tayari West TV. We can give you recognition. You can stand up for recognition. They are going to be our regional broadcasters, because we have already agreed terms with them. And NBS Sport will be our national broadcaster. So we expect them to be covering games live. So even you in Kampala, like our friends, the Brazilian, Gombe, Clive, Elvis Seno, no, you'll be seated in your lounge and you'll be able to watch the Ankole Cup. You'll be able to watch Mushenyi taking on Shema. So you'll not be only watching Mushenyi versus, you'll not only be watching Vipers or versus Snake and so on. If it's Ismail Dakaba Chigongwazin and is in Bugweri, you'll be able to watch all these games on TV and have something to tell people on air and something like that. Then, away from that, we have the licensing and refereeing committee headed by Engineer Jackson, because we intend to minimize or to fight match fixing. We intend to make sure that there is transparency in this tournament. That's why we have a committee specifically for referees and licensing. Then the last committee, which is like the Supreme Court, is called the Advisory Committee or Disciplinary Committee, which is supposed to give us justice. And is headed by someone very important who has been really looking for justice, Honorable Mujishe Francis. But this you can see that there is fairness.